Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to discuss how to answer why do you want to work here question. Because when I interviewed candidates or talked to the interviewers who interviewed candidates at Google, I would ask them why they want to work or they are interested in the position, and many answers would be something along the lines of because I've heard that Google has a great culture, or because Google has changed the world, or because so many people use Google products and I want to work on something that my family and my friends have used. These answers are okay, but they are just okay, and you won't really win any points delivering the answers like that. Why? Because you haven't given me anything that makes me want to hire you more. The world thinks about Google the same way. An ideal answer will sell yourself in some way. Consider integrating one or more of these aspects in your answer. For example, you can consider integrating company research. So if you haven't watched my video on how to do company research, please go and watch. And so I'll just give a brief here that in company research you can use your answer to show that you have done some research about the company or the position you are applying for, and doing research shows that you are passionate for the position, and the passionate employee makes a good employee, right? For example, you might say that what piqued my interest was a presentation your lead UI designer made about the different methods you use for data analysis and how this helped you build a better product. I'm very quantitative, so I really want to work on such a data driven company. This shows your passion about the company and why you want to join them better. Then you can also mention relevant experience. Your answer can actually communicate to the interviewer directly that you have the relevant skills or experience. For example, you could say something like this: I'm really interested in testing tools. For my senior project in college, I built an automated way of detecting certain types of errors. I learned a ton about different types of websites, errors, and the ways to detect them. I was really intrigued by how much an impact of automated testing can do, and if done really well. But I can also learn just how challenging it will be to do so. I'm excited to get back into this space and leverage what I learned. This also shows that you are keen to learn and you will be a good employee. The third thing that you could add is passion, to directly communicate your passion for the position. That this is especially true for startups that are focused on some specific greater goods for the world. For example, for an educated related startup, it could be really good to have an explanation like this: that I grew up fairly poor and attended pretty mediocre elementary schools. What helped me excel beyond the peers and win a scholarship to a top high school and college was seeking on extracurricular activities and extra resources. At that time, this meant public libraries, mentors, and a small number of websites. I think your company has a potential to bring these online resources to much broader community of disadvantaged students, and this was so meaningful to me growing up that I really want to be part of the system now. So, in general, big companies will be less impressed by you or your having researched the company on being really passionate about working for them. They presume, for better or worse, that you want to work for them, and it's better to show a passion for the role or the team you're going to work with, or some experience that makes you a good fit. Avoid answering about it being so a good stepping stone for your career or a nice name for your resume. Those answers might make your interviewer think that you are not going to stick to the company for a longer period. At a startup, passion for the company or expertise in the space you are really going to apply is really important. You should use the company's product and have an opinion about it. Avoid answers about wanting the financial upside of a startup. That doesn't make you a better candidate at all, because it just means that you like money, and it also means that you might be unrealistic about the hardships of a startup, or that you might to leave the second things get rough. Try to come up with 2 or 3 reasons prior to your interview, and of course practice your answer. That makes it the best. And if you're asked this question by multiple interviewers, it's okay to give them the similar answer to each one of them. In fact, it might be strange if you didn't offer the similar reasons. So that's it for how to answer why do you want to work here question. Hope it was helpful. In the next video, we are going to talk about why should we hire you question, how to answer that. And till then, stay tuned. Don't forget to share, subscribe, and like my channel. Thank you.